Welcome to the Oil and Herbs channel. In this video, we'll be talking about a superfood that's gaining popularity in the health and wellness community: Lucuma powder. Lucuma is a fruit that originates from South America and is often used as a natural sweetener. But did you know that Lucuma powder also has some amazing health benefits? In this video, we'll be discussing the top benefits of Lucuma powder and why you should consider adding it to your diet. Rich in nutrients. Lucuma powder is packed with essential vitamins and minerals such as iron, calcium, and beta-carotene. It's also a great source of fiber and antioxidants which can help to improve your overall health. Lowers blood sugar levels. If you're looking for a natural way to lower your blood sugar levels, then Lucuma powder may be the perfect solution. It has a low glycemic index, which means that it doesn't cause spikes in your blood sugar levels like other sweeteners do. Boosts immune system. Lucuma powder contains antioxidants such as beta-carotene, which can help to boost your immune system and protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Aids in digestion. The high fiber content in Lucuma powder can help to promote healthy digestion by regulating bowel movements and preventing constipation. It can also help to reduce inflammation in the gut and improve nutrient absorption. Supports skin health. Lucuma powder is rich in antioxidants which can help to reduce the signs of aging and promote healthy skin. It can also help to protect your skin from damage caused by UV radiation and other environmental factors. There you have it, folks. The top 5 benefits of Lucuma powder. With its rich nutrient content, low glycemic index, immune-boosting properties, digestive benefits, and skin health benefits, Lucuma powder is a superfood that you don't want to miss out on. So why not try adding it to your smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods for a healthy and delicious boost? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content.